Hello everybody, welcome to this short video where I will show you how to remove this notch on Huawei Nova 3. So majority of people, they are not satisfied with the look of this notch, so Huawei made you option that you can remove this notch. So go to settings, then go to display, then you have this option here, notch, and you can hide the notch. So take a look now at the change now, what will happen. Hide the notch, and notch is not anymore there. So if you don't like to see the notch, you can just hide it with this option. So let's take a look a little bit closer what is happening. So by default it is not hidden, but if you click this hide notch, it will add black color here and you will hide it, so it will not be shown. What is happening in reality, it is just adding the black color, so it looks like it is it's not part of the screen, while in reality, if you take a closer attention, I will show you that they are just adding a black color. I will increase the brightness, so maybe now you will see the difference. So on human eye you can notice the difference here. It's really hard to show it. You can see here a bit on the right corner the difference between the color and the notch. So this is the notch, real notch, and this is the color. You can see a bit of difference on the right corner now. So that will be all for this video. If you don't like the notch, just remove it. Thank you very much for watching. Assalamu alaikum, may peace be upon you.